Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Hey guys, it's Dante. Welcome back. This week we're going to go over repair versus replace for your fridge. Right here we have a beautiful Maytag fridge. When something like most stuff that goes out on here could be a fan, the compressor, or a main board. Any big parts like that go out, you might be wondering what you're going to do. Are you going to replace it, or are you going to have the tech come out and install the parts? With everything going on, obviously things are backing up, which means parts are backing up. Appliances might be backed up as well. So if it's a more readily available part, like we come in here, we have a fan. I'll sit back here, help cools it down. Those fans are relatively available. So that part might be in. It might be an easy repair to do. Something like a compressor or a main board, that item might take 3 days, or it might take 3 months, depending on if the manufacturer has it in stock. So what you want to do is have, if you want to pay the diagnostic fee, to have someone come out like me, look at it and give you a price. You can really start to compare, is it going to be worth me spending $500 to fix my fridge that I spent $3,000 on, compared to buying a new one. It's just really just comparing the price points and how much you've already invested into your appliance. Now, if we have something like this, like a more basic, top mount, parts on here are going to be relatively cheaper than your big ticket refrigerator that you have. So the parts on here are more mass produced, so they might be more available than some of your other stuff. You could always replace the parts, or if it's going to be a $400 fix, you spent $600, well, for an extra $200 you can get a whole new fridge that works and is under warranty. So like I said, it's really just comparing your price points, what you have invested compared to what you're willing to spend, and if you really like that appliance. So if you really like the fridge that you have currently and you like how it works, how it cools, everything that, all the functions that it has, then it might be worth repairing, and so you keep it. If you don't like the way that the fridge works or how it looks or anything like that, then you spend the money to have a tech come out and fix it. Then now you're unhappy because it's still going to work the same. It's just you're still not going to like the appliance if you already didn't before. So with that information, just do your due diligence, compare prices, have someone come out if there's something wrong with your fridge. And that's all I have for you guys. So don't forget to like, subscribe, come back next week. Thank you.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.